Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trigger the bat attack weather and how your plants can get the Vamp Mutation in Grey Garden. Basically, what you're going to want to do is you are going to give the witch some plants. You can pretty much submit anything. I think you'll get like bonus candy corns if you submit like tree plants. I think that's what I'm going to assume right now. Like as of now, basically when you give the witch like plants, it will trigger the bat attack, and you're also going to get candy corn. So this is the bat attack, and it's going to give your plants the Vamp Mutation as well. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!